Hey guys, welcome back to my beginner's portrait tutorial tips and tricks. In our last class, we completed this eye area. In our today's class, we are gonna paint the eyebrows. Before starting, let me quickly show you how you can paint the eyebrows. So always go for the direction of the hair. So if I show you my reference picture, you can see in this reference picture the direction of hairs are firstly these are few hairs which are going towards up, then it started going towards this direction, basically right, then this direction and this direction. So always look for the direction and you can easily paint the eyebrows. So here if we see the base color, so what you have to do is you need to mix little bit of black in that burnt sienna. What I'm doing here is I'm applying black and burnt sienna towards in. I'm applying very less color as eyebrows are not that much thick when we go towards this direction. So you need to check where it is little dark, you can go little darker base color. So this is my base color. So with the help of a very simple flat brush, this type of flat brush, I applied burnt sienna mixed with black. So looking at your reference picture only, you need to decide which base color will go. Sometimes it is towards green color also. Here I am using black and in that I am using little bit of white. So basically it's a dark grey color I have prepared. So with the help of dark grey color, we are making this eyebrow. First few directions. Here it's going upward direction. Now you can see it is going like this. Taking this color and start going in this direction. As you can see, so how many strokes you have to make, it's completely depends on your reference picture, how thick the eyebrows are. So like this we can make. When it comes to this part, these hairs are going like this and here it is getting flat and here it is going towards upper direction. So here you need to check the direction again, what is going in which direction. So like this only you can paint very easily eyebrows. And near to this inner area, very thin hairs are there. So look at your reference picture and you need to check how prominent the hair. So according to that you can paint. Here also sometimes we need to create the highlight. So you have to see how prominent these highlights are. Let me quickly show you in my reference picture. So here you can see these type of highlights are here. Some skin is visible. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna take very little white here, just like nothing on my brush. Very little white color. See the angle of highlight. Very little highlights I am creating. Here also if it is needed, like this. So basically if I talk about this side of eyebrow, so firstly you have to go like this, then in this direction, after that in this direction. So look at your reference picture closely and see in which direction our eyebrows are falling. Sometimes this arch is very prominent, sometimes it's round also. So try practice with the different eyebrow shape. Now we'll start painting our portrait. Here as I have given you the demonstration of this right side of this eyebrow, in our portrait I'll give you the demonstration of left side of eyebrows, so you'll get the better understanding how you can paint. One more thing before moving towards the portrait, If by mistaken you have done something wrong, like in this everything is fine, but okay, this area let me give you. So my paper is white here, so I can apply a little bit of white and easily I can correct in case I've done something wrong. Though it's completely fine, but in case we have done something wrong, we can correct in this way. And in the portrait, you can simply apply your skin color or base color if you have done any mistake and repaint it and correct it. Let's move towards our portrait. So I have quickly completed the right side of eyebrows. Now we'll show you how you can paint the left side of eyebrow. So if I observe my reference picture, this base color is little towards gray color. Now I'm painting is as a little gray color. Some people face difficulty in making these angles. Here what you can do, firstly we'll go in this direction, then this, and here it will come in this direction. Firstly just go for the upper strokes like this. Here I'm using black and little bit of white color I've added to make it little gray. So you have to check your color of eyebrows towards which color it's going, then start making. Then when it comes to this direction, just go like this. Still, if you feel you're not comfortable, what you can do is just turn your canvas and you can paint like this also. Quite easy. And now when it's turning the direction, just go towards down, and here also you can paint like this. Here there are few hairs also, so let me quickly make it. I'll be taking very little white and I'll try making these type of highlights here. You can see, so like this you can make highlight as well with the help of white color. I think these are pretty good. In our today's class, we learned how easily we can paint the eyebrows. You just have to focus on the directions of the hair. Hope this video is helpful to you. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. In our next class, we'll start painting lips and I'll share lots of tips and tricks with you. For that, subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Thank you.